Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm gonna show you how to extract data points from an image graph. Uh, you need to go to the Webplotdigitizer, which you can search in Google, and you need to go to this website. Uh, You can download this software, but you can also use it online. If you have one, two, or three graphs to which you are going to extract data from, so you can use it online. And if you are going to extract data from many images crops, so you need to download it, and it can be helpful when you are writing some review paper. So I'm going to show a simple way how to extract data points from any graph. So I'm going to try it online. Okay, so first of all, I need to load an image. You can watch other tutorial videos might be on YouTube. So I'm going to load an image of a graph. Uh, I have one which is this one, uh, a line axis. So first of all, you need to um, draw two points on x-axis and draw 2 points on y-axis, and then you need to calibrate the graph. So I'm going to proceed. So first I need which to draw my x1 point, draw a point on x1 x-axis, which you need to be, you can draw it on 0, you can draw it on 0.5, whatever, but whichever point is clear, so draw that point uh, over there. So I'm going to align this uh, with the x-axis. So you can at the top right corner you can see that it is showing a zoomed view. You can adjust the point. You don't need to be worried about this, that I have drawn the point somewhere in the wrong way. So you can adjust those points. So now I can adjust these points with the arrows keys on the keyboard. I can make them go down, go up, right, and left. So I think this is the perfect point for my one. Um, Now the second point, it is, now I can see it is perfect. Now I can do the same for x1 and x2. So now this is a perfect point. This is need to be a little down here. So when these points are drawn correctly, so you can click on complete. So you need to give the values for the x1 x2, so it can calibrate the graph. uh, so when you are trying to extract data points of a graph, so it will be calibrated according to this. So I need okay, if I can check the x1 point. So the x1 point is on 1, x2 is on 2, and y1 point is on 100, and y2 point is on 450. uh, you can check. These are on large scale, so you can check this box. If not, so uh, leave it as it is. Now you can assume that the axes are perfectly aligned, means that the y-axis and axis, the x-axis and y-axis, they are perfectly aligned. The points, the y points are perfectly vertical, and the x-axis points are vertically horizontally uh, aligned. So I'm clicking OK. So when I click these complete button, so what I need to add points on this graph, so I can extract the points from here. So first of all, it is by default selected, so I'm going to draw a few points on this. I'm going to draw very few points because of it will get the tutorial elongated. So now I need to adjust the point. So I'm going to adjust the points. Let me this point. Click on this point and make it on 0. You can see coordinates on the left corner, right below the area of the zoomed area. So now it's perfectly it's almost 0. Now the second point, you can adjust it accordingly. Now that's it. Now I need the data points, so I'm going to view the data. So these are my points, which starts from 0, 0. It's a little bit, we can say that it's a little bit above the 0. So we can manipulate these values accordingly. Let me show how. So I can download it as a CSV file, or I can draw it in graph in Plotly. I'm going to graph it in Plotly, and then I will going to copy these values to Excel. It's going to take a minute. So this graph has been extracted.